Hi everyone. In this video, we are going to see about the types of limit in the option Pocket. For this, I am going to create a 3D object first. I am going to draw a simple square which is having dimensions of 50 cross 50, that is 50 on all the sides, and create a 3D object. I am going to change the render style to parallel so that it is simple to look at least for me. Now, on top of this face, I am going to draw a sketch and remove that sketch. I am choosing the profile tool and drawing some random sketches. Now I am going to smoothen this edges using the option corner. So for smoothing the edges, just click on the corner and drag your mouse, and you can individually change the values. I am just going to round off these values and click on Exit Workbench. Now I'm going to pocket this, that is remove this sketch. I'm going to remove it for about 20 mm in depth, and in the selection this sketch must be selected. As you can see by clicking on preview here, that up to 20 mm the drawn sketch have removed the volume. And over here we have used a close sketch. Regarding the pocket feature, you can also use a open sketch to create a pocket, that is removing the 3D object or volume. So I'm selecting this upper surface and I'm going to draw a open sketch and exit workbench. Go to pocket now, just giving the dimensions. Depth is enough to remove. I'm going to give a depth of 10 mm. Click on preview and OK. So over here we have used a closed sketch, and here we have used a open sketch to create pocket. So next we will see about creating a pocket with multiple sketches. That is, on a single sketch we can have many closed drawings and make a pocket of it. For this I'm going to create a sketch first on the XY plane. I'm creating a rectangle this time. The rectangle is 50 cross 75. and exit workbench. I'm going to give a pad thickness of 20 mm. I'm changing the view to parallel, and let me remind you about a option called edge fillet here. I'm going to fillet these edges for some radius. So I'm selecting all these four edges and I'm giving a radius of, let's say, 10 mm to make a fillet. Now I'm selecting the top surface, going to sketch to draw different profiles. I'm going to draw many profiles here. So this is just to show that you can use many closed profiles in a single pocket feature. So exit workbench, go to pocket, and I'm going to give the depth as up to next. It will pocket to the next surface. Now let's see about the other limits. So for this I'm going to close this part design, going to create a new part, going to draw on the XY plane, choosing profile, and this profile I'm going to convert to 3D volume by the option pad. Going to pad this for 10 mm. Right now I'm going to draw a sketch on this face. I'm going to draw a simple circle for some diameter. Now I'm going to use different options in pocket. At first I'm going to use the dimension. So for this the sketch must be selected and I'm changing the direction. So this could be done by clicking this arrow mark or this reverse direction, and click on preview. Okay, now you can see it have removed up to 10 mm. Now let's edit this pocket and see the other options available. So if I'm selecting up to last, it will drill up to the last element, as you can see here. And I'm going to edit it again, up to plane. So if I'm going to select up to this plane, it will remove the volume up to that plane. and the last option is up to surface. I have to select a surface here. That surface may be a flat surface or a curved surface. I'm going to select up to this surface. So the circular sketch have removed only up to that surface.